Thank you very much, sir. Well, everyone, we have with us Dr. Sultan Ahmed, former Power Secretary and former Chairman of Rajuk. I'd like to request him to come up on the stage and take a seat with us. Can you have a round of applause for Mr. Dr. Sultan Ahmed? Thank you so much for coming here and joining us. Well, we were listening from Professor Dr. Mohsen Ghaffari Astiani. Now it's time for another keynote lecture, and that's by Professor Dr. Mehdi Ahmed Ansari. Our next keynote speaker, Professor Dr. Mehdi Ahmed Ansari from the Department of Civil Engineering of BUET. Dr. Ansari is a leading expert in earthquake risk reduction, and he has significantly contributed to develop disaster prevention and urban safety strategies. So let's welcome him now.
Thank you for giving me the floor. আমি মনে হয় বাংলায় বলবো আমাদের এখানে কিছু যদি
মোবাইল
what to show first is what we have done after Incubi and the protective left one. I will show other things also, but আমি কেন দেখাতে যাচ্ছি, we have done some because Professor Mohsen showed a lot of data. And he said that our local expert or others should work on it and do some more research. That is what we have done. So, you see, so much data is there, but আমরা আসলে আমি যদি বলি বাংলাদেশে যারা আমরা এখানে আছি, including Dr. Helali and তার টিম, আমরা কিন্তু এই যে মাইক্রোসফট টেকনোলজি ওটা দিয়ে আমরা বিল্ডিং এবং তার অ্যাসেসমেন্ট অর্থাৎ বিল্ডিং এর যে ভালনারেবিলিটি এবং মাটির যে ভালনারেবিলিটি রেজোনেন্স অবলিগেশন সেটা একটা পেপার আমরা প্রায় 2022 পাবলিশ করি। সেকেন্ড পেপার যেটা এটা যদি প্রসেস আসতে দেখেছে বাট অফিশিয়ালি ওগুলো পেপার পাবলিশ হয় আমরা যে শেয়ার ব্যালেন্স এটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট আমাদের জন্য আমি মনে করি যারা এখানে প্র্যাকটিসিং ইঞ্জিনিয়ার আছে যে শেয়ার ব্যালেন্সের সাথে এসপিডি কোরিলেশন, কারণ ভবিষ্যতে এই ধরনের ডেটা কিন্তু পাওয়া যাবে না। এই যে 400টা ডেটা 400 কিন্তু টোটাল ডেটা আছে 6000-7000 এর মতো ডেটা, অর্থাৎ প্রত্যেক লেয়ার বাই লেয়ার ডেটা। সো উই হ্যাভ পাবলিশড ইন ইন্ডিয়ান জেনারেল জার্নাল। কেউ যদি ইউজ করতে চায় দে ক্যান ইউজ ফর ফিউচার রেফারেন্স, কারণ পাবলিক ডেটা থাকে ওটাকে ইউজ করা ইজিয়ার, কারণ যেটা ওনারা রিপোর্টের মধ্যে লিখেছে সেটা কিন্তু পাবলিক ডেটা না, ওটাকে ইউজ করা ডিফিকাল্ট। সেই জন্য আমরা এটা করছি। তারপর আছে আরো এই ধরনের ইউনিফর্ম আছে। তারপর সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট পেপার ইনফ্যাক্ট প্রফেসর আস্তানি এন্ড হিজ টিম, ডক্টর বোজারে, Professor Astani, Sarah Alati, they have published a very good paper on natural hazards back in 2023. The paper assessment of natural hazards including equivalent linear hazards. In fact, Professor Astani presented that one. Some part of it presented in his presentation, but this is why I am giving you the exposure of these things, because if you want to use this kind of information in future, you need to refer it. Because sometimes report you cannot access that much, but paper you can easily access. Later on you can use. That's why I'm saying. And recently, you see, one of the Rajuk engineers, because that's why I'm always saying that we have to keep this 44 engineers who are working with under this project. We have to keep those people. Why? Because some of them has did their masters using those data and they have earned their own degrees on it, and they are now not fully expert, but they need a lot of experience, but at least they have the feel of it, how to do the analysis and how to use the data. This is important because these 44 engineers who are working with Raju, they will be a pillar of the new institute that Mr. Helali and Raju and the institute is going to establish. So it is the intersection of science application of the sedimentary debris of DMDP in Bangladesh. And later on, we have also published one paper on liquefaction potential assessment of the DMDP. This also published this year, this May in Natural Hazards. So based on that particular seismic hazard analysis paper on natural hazards back in 2023, which Professor Astani and his team has, Dr. Bozar and his team has published, this has been done based on that. But we did a little more analysis, because I think in that paper in their report they have used liquefaction analysis, but this has been also carried out for liquefaction analysis for each other factor. There is a different aspect of that one. So this is some of the things I want to just show. We have published almost 10 to 20 papers using this kind of stuff. This is all DMDP data. So you see, there is a lot of scope to do a lot of research, because it is a very big database. This kind of thing, if we do it for future for other cities, these papers can be referred very easily and the data can be used, because sometimes people cannot get access to all the data. But since some papers are published, if they want to do something, they can refer those and they can use that data. Now I want to present what I have to present, because what Professor Astani and other papers or other keynote speakers has talked about is more detailed or more detailed. But my presentation will be, in fact, this presentation, part of it I also gave last time also in Raju. In fact, most of the papers which Professor Astani and others are presenting is also, we hear all of those time to time. But what I am going to show, because I think Professor Meguro or Dr. Ghosh has not this, before আমি আসলে এটা নিয়ে কয়েকটা ওনাদের সামনে প্রেজেন্ট করি, অনেকে হয়তো শুনেছে অনেকে হয়তো শুনেনি, আমি জাস্ট আমাদের বাংলাদেশ সামনে কি করেছে for the last couple of years, that I want to show, highlight. Especially in Raju projects, they have assessed